Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and your game is stuck on this black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this black screen problem on GTA 5 easily. So this fix will work for both the enhanced and the legacy versions of the game. The first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your game is fully closed. So open up your task manager by right clicking on your taskbar, click task manager then, and then look for any processes related to GTA. Here, if you find any process, just close it. After that, you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go ahead and update your graphic cards drivers. So I'm going to show you AMD first. Afterwards, I'll show you Intel and NVIDIA. You're going to go into resources and support, click drivers then, scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX and select your graphic card series with the model. Select your operating system, download AMD Adrenalin Edition here and install it. Afterwards, you're going to go into intel.com and then you're going to go into support, download center then, and then you're going to click onto graphics here. You're going to search for your graphic cards drivers here. So just search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc B580 for example. Click onto it and then download the latest Intel Arc drivers. Now I'll show you NVIDIA. You're going to go into nvidia.com, click drivers then, fill in this manual driver search form here, and then click find here. It will find the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for you. Once it's done finding the drivers, you're going to go ahead and install them. After you're done installing the drivers, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now you can open up your games platform. So if you have the game on Steam, you're going to open Steam up. I'll show you Epic Games afterwards. You're going to right click on GTA 5, go into properties, go into install files, and then click verify and target your game files here. Now I'll show you Epic Games. You're going to open up the Epic Games launcher, and then you're going to click onto these three dots here. Click onto manage them, and then click verify here, and it will verify your game's files. Once it's done verifying your game's files, now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So the it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.